Here at Monarch, just off Lomalinda in Enugu, is a property available for sale. This particular property is for sale, and this is what the environment looks like. You can see it's mostly residential. It's a mostly residential environment and fully occupied. One of the fastest rental environments in Enugu. And this 2 plots of land right here is for sale. So yeah, there are some tenants, temporary tenants right here, as you can see. And this is a new two-bedroom apartment right here, going for up to 600,000 naira yearly. This is in the heart of Lomalinda, very close to Kusina, and a few minutes from the tarred road right there. So I'm just going to be walking out as I show you what the environment really looks like. This particular plot was sold by the same owner of this one. And this is the environment. Call today for a free inspection. Enjoy a great day.